ever had your FastMCP resource, URIs, break after upgrading because the prefix format changed between versions? You'll see exactly how to control URI construction by setting the resource prefix format parameter when creating servers, with concrete examples of both the modern path format and legacy protocol format, and why the path format is now recommended for all new projects. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. Create a server that uses legacy protocol format. Server equals FastMCP. Legacy server. Resource prefix format equals protocol. Create a server that uses new path format. Server equals FastMCP new server. Resource prefix format equals path. This demonstrates URI prefix formatting configuration in FastMCP, controlling how resource prefixes are incorporated into URIs. The resource prefix format parameter determines whether prefixes become part of the URI protocol format, or the path component path format, with the latter being the modern recommended approach. This distinction matters because URI protocols have stricter naming rules than paths, particularly around special characters like underscores. The parameter works by enforcing consistent URI construction rules across all resources in a server. When set to path, prefixes are inserted as path segments, e.g., resource, prefix data item, maintaining clean protocol names while avoiding naming conflicts. The legacy protocol format instead creates compound protocols, e.g., prefix+resource, //data/item, which can cause issues with non-compliant prefix names but preserves backward compatibility with pre-2.4 systems. Configuration can be set globally via FastMCP settings resource prefix format, environment variables, or per server during initialization. This configuration solves URI design challenges in multi-server environments where resource naming collisions must be avoided. The path format is particularly valuable for new projects, as it adheres to standard URI conventions while supporting any valid string as a prefix. The protocol format remains available for legacy systems, but should be avoided in new development due to its naming restrictions. The choice between formats becomes most relevant when mounting or importing servers, though the current example only shows basic server configuration. Let's break it down line by line. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. This imports FastMCP, the core class for creating MCP-compatible tool servers. It provides the foundation for exposing Python functions as AI-callable tools with proper protocol handling and type safety. The class manages all server configuration, including the resource prefix format shown in the next examples. Create a server that uses legacy protocol format. Server equals FastMCP. Legacy server. Resource prefix format equals protocol. This creates a FastMCP server using legacy protocol-style resource URIs like MCP, //toolname/action. The resource prefix format equals protocol. Parameter forces backward compatibility with pre-2.4 clients that expect protocol prefixes instead of modern path-based routing. Note that protocol names cannot contain underscores, and this was the default format before FastMCP 2.4. Create a server that uses new path format. Server equals FastMCP new server. Resource prefix format equals path. This configures a FastMCP server to use path-style resource URIs instead of the legacy protocol format. With path format, resources use clean res-tful paths like prefix+resource rather than prefix+resource, // syntax, eliminating underscore restrictions and improving compatibility with modern APIs. Use this for new projects unless you specifically need the legacy protocol format for backward compatibility. URI format configuration. The resource prefix format Parameter controls how FastMCP constructs resource URIs, with path as the modern standard and protocol, maintaining legacy URI schemes. Protocol format URIs like prefix+resource, //path/ to /resource fail when prefixes contain underscores or other invalid URI protocol characters. Always use path format for new development unless you specifically need compatibility with pre-2.4 clients.
The URI that changes its shape remains the same connection.